the moment I entered home, I literally felt like some weight had been lifted off my chest. I just feel that even if everything goes dark, there has to be some space for the light to penetrate and to bring that ray of hope. I can be myself, I can be me, and nothing's gonna happen. So I guess that's the feeling you get at home. I saw this sample flight by chance, and then I was like, this is what I want. Like, that's it, done and dusted.
Anybody who's actually followed my Instagram page or any other pages would know that in the last few months even I was inside a reality show. And आज जिसके घर पे हम आए हैं for this episode of Nestera Presents At Home with me Nayandeep, वो भी एक reality show में अंदर रह के आई है 3 महीने. And for people who know, they know that I really supported her through and through because she's a lovely human being and it came across on the show. Despite all the people who tried to pull her down, she stood like a rock. And for me, she's one of the biggest winners of Bigg Boss 19, Ashnoor Kaur. So this episode of Nestera presents At Home with Nayandeep with Ashnoor Kaur. Hello! How are you? See you finally.
Me too.
Hi. Hi.
Jigu, let him come inside. Come on.
You also come inside. Come. How have you been? Thank you
Welcome.
for inviting us home.
Of course, I had to.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you for doing this for me and welcoming you to Nestera Presents At Home with Ashnoor Kaur. Woo-hoo! By the way, we had done that interview and वहाँ पे before I go inside, I will start off with this. वहाँ पे आपने कहा था कि यार the most important thing is कि मैं दिल जीतना चाहती हूँ. And I had put it out because I was like, ठीक है यार, Ashnoor, you still won. That was my post for you because I think you genuinely did win hearts.
Thank you.
And thank you for being the person you are, Ashnoor. I'm pretty sure everybody who has seen you will agree that you didn't cross a line of decency for views and I'm very proud of you.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
और ये जगह तो मैंने आपके हर एक इंस्टा पोस्ट पे देखा है. Tell me something. This is such a photogenic corridor entry. That was a part of the plan, right?
Of course. I mean, every time we can't go out looking for, a pictures की view and like a nice spot to click pictures. तो हमने बोला घर पे ही कर लेते हैं. Any reel, anything that I need to make, this is a corner. ये एक अलग corner हो जाता है. There's a light behind this जो कि हमने अभी on नहीं किया है. ये एक corner हो जाता है. So I love the curves here. I love the free flowing thing.
So the texture, there's a textured wall also.
Yes.
So you tell me, you had decided on this, like this was your plan, whose plan was?
So most of the house is mom, but this wall was my plan.
Oh, lovely.
Because I love the textured wall. So I love the beaches. So it's more like waves crashing on the sand. And I like the free flowing feel of it. It just feels nice. It feels soothing.
Yeah.
Even here we have like a textured wall right here. These showpieces, this center table is all mom. And this is that one last look that I give myself before I head out and I say, मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ, मैंने So that's the mirror.
Auntie से मैं मिल लिया क्योंकि I was sitting here for almost an hour now.
I know.
I was sitting with all of you.
Yeah.
Auntie को already I have told that I have got a house in Calcutta which I'm going to take help from Auntie for interior designing because now that we go inside and you get to see the whole house, you will understand why. So let's go. Thank you so much.
Let's go.
मजा आ गया मुझे तो ये घर देख के.
Here हम in a way ये passage break करते हैं.
जी. और there's
this
a clock.
texture and we have our clock right there.
Yeah.
And जैसे हम enter करते हैं, of course there has to be some positivity. So ये Golden Temple की picture है. So this is actually painted. This
What?
is not a picture, yeah. That's why it's specially from Amritsar, all the way from Amritsar. ये detailing and everything that you see, it's all a painting. And इसमें in fact शब्द भी लगते हैं with the remote. So सुबह पाठ के बाद घर में शब्द लगते हैं.
मतलब
positivity
सुबह the
का.
first thing that you wake up to
Yes,
is this.
is this.
Wow. How deeply spiritual are you as a person? How deeply spiritual are you?
See, I'm 21 now. For the past 10 years, I've been celebrating my New Year's at Nandesh Sahib Ji, at Hazur Sahib Gurdwara. And that's how we welcome the New Year's. At an age where, all my peers are busy making plans for trips and partying, I'm in the Gurdwara and I welcome it with Babaji's blessings. So I guess that pretty much says
Yeah.
how much I have faith in
Yeah.
the Almighty.
And ये switches किस चीज के हैं? But I can see like
The bar.
Oh,
And-
wow.
Yeah, and this is ये क्योंकि hands जोड़ने वाला sign. So we've customized the switches basically. You can always change it with an app and the colors also. कि red है तो मतलब on है, blue है तो मतलब off है. But I can always, if I'm in the mood to be pink, so I can make it pink.
What?
Yeah. So do you want to see?
Are you a technologically gifted person?
I am a technologically gifted
Clearly
person.
not.
And of course, because you're shooting content and a lot of times you're like, अरे ये frame ठीक नहीं है, lighting ठीक नहीं है. So everything in the house is automated. I can dim my lights from my phone. I can, just ask Alexa to do anything and she would do it for me.
Wow.
That's what happened.
Wow.
Yes.
And then we enter पंजाबी के घर पे आए हैं और
Oh yes.
ये ना हो तो मतलब
और की.
मैं तो वैसे पीता नहीं हूँ.
मैं भी नहीं पीती. मेरे dad भी नहीं पीता actually.
Oh, then who is this for?
This is just for aesthetics. And for the guests
My friend.
comes कि of course relatives आ रहे हैं तो यार पंजाबी में ये होता है कि नॉन वेज और अल्कोहल ना तो मतलब खातिरदारी की है.
That's true.
तो खातिरदारी की पूरी तैयारी हो रखी है. खातिरदारी की पूरी what do you say arrangements हैं हमारे घर पे. But yeah, talking about this area, we wanted to keep it a little different from बाकी
Yeah,
के घर के aesthetics. It's blue, it has a touch of maroon, it's velvety over here, it's black. And even the sink here, even the tap is black. So there's like this small wash basin right here that we, if the bartender's kind of doing something, he creates a mess. So we just have an emergency thing over here, right here. बाकी drinks की मुझे इतनी knowledge नहीं है.
अभी हम अंदर आते. This is the living space
Oh yes, that's the living
and
space.
got a lot of lights, guys.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. So this painting,
हाँ.
it's actually like a 3D painting if you can see.
Yes.
There are things stuck and there's an actual sword in here engraved in the painting. So
Oh, yeah.
that's metal and that sword.
उधर भी है.
Yeah.
दो.
So it's like an asymmetrical circle, like a half cut circle if you look at it.
Yeah.
And it's got texture, it's gotten a lot of versatility in it. And it's gotten that rawness also. So that's what we liked about the painting. And
And where did you pick this up from?
mom, dad got it.
Oh wow.
Some exhibition, God knows.
Your mom is
Yeah, 100%. Like everything.
connoisseur of art.
Like, matching these
Yeah.
lights.
There's a lot of lights.
Yeah. There's a lot of ambience lighting.
Ambience lights.
Yeah, and
Mood lights.
If you look at it, there's texture here also.
Yeah.
Like in the middle, it's plain, and then we have texture
Yeah.
here. So we've always tried to add some or the other element.
Wow.
Moving on to
The living space.
the living space.
Look at this,
Living space.
which is in beige, browns,
White.
and white.
Yes.
I love it. This
Thank
is my favorite combination, by the
Thank
way.
you. Even my sheer curtain is actually white.
White and brown.
Yeah. Alexa, living main curtain open.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tech savvy home.
100%.
Should we just open those curtains also?
Let's ask Alexa. Alexa, living sheer curtain open.
Oh my God.
Well, we worked a lot on the roof of the balcony as well. and the sides of the balcony, because the balcony is like a really spacious one.
Yeah.
So
It's a luxury in Bombay.
yeah, and this is the kind of balcony I wanted, like more like a deck sort of a thing
Yeah.
that you can probably enjoy. And Ziggy loves playing here as well, so we've had like an entire grass for him and all of that stuff. And
Lovely.
Mom loves her gardening and all of that, so everything in the balcony.
Lovely. If you had to define home, what is a home for you?
Peace, sukoon. As you rightly mentioned, it's like the place you can just be. You know, I remember after my exit from the show, and that was a very sudden eviction, and I was really shocked. But the moment I entered home, I literally felt like some weight had been lifted off my chest. Because it was like, okay, I am in my safe space now. Like, you know, no one's gonna harm me here. I can be myself, I can be me, and nothing's gonna happen. So I guess that's the feeling you get at home.
Yeah. Do you feel it was unfair evicting you? Because a lot of people have brought it up, including me. Lot of people, क्या मैंने भी लिखा है ये कि अगर एविक्ट करना ही होता तो पहले भी तो लोगों ने वायलेंस करने की कोशिश की है जब टास्क में आपको पुश किया गया है, लात मारा गया है किसी को, तो why when they evicted? Did that question ever come?
It did, but see, at the end of the day, it's their show, it's their call. There's nothing really in my hand or nothing that I could do. I mean, it was on the weekend cover that I got to know what had actually happened, but until then it was too late. The decision was already taken, the damage was done, and there was no way I could change the outcome. So I think if something's out of your hands, it should also be out of your mind, and there's no point pondering over it again and again because you're just going to hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Thinking about what could have. ठीक है, जो हुआ वो हुआ. It was a beautiful journey, a beautiful roller coaster ride, but it just halted really abruptly, is what I would say.
I totally agree. But coming back to your home, when you were designing the home, what were the things जो आपने दिमाग में रखा था when you were designing, especially the living room, if I may ask?
So for the living room, we thought that we really like white. We really like light, beige, white, and a few elements of brown, or like this little thing that we have right here. So we wanted some elements, like say the painting or the fountain. Or probably one wall that's highlighted, the TV wall we'll come to later. But rest of the stuff, we just wanted it to have some personality. So even if you look at the carpet, it has texture.
Yes.
But
There's texture everywhere.
yeah, there's texture everywhere. But the color is very monochromatic in some way or the other. And there are just certain highlights. So I just feel white gives me a lot of positivity. And there's a lot of detailing, say even these tracks that we have right here.
Yeah.
That's segregating the bar area and the living room. We're just adding an element
Yeah.
over here.
Even these.
Even these drops that we have here, again, an element like the textured wall there. We wanted some element, but we didn't want something very loud.
Yeah.
Like it's how you can say, for example, how you are the same person, but you have different layers. Similarly, the house is one thing, but it has different layers and different elements.
Absolutely.
too.
But there's a lot of beige, there's a lot of whites, browns, and blacks.
Yes.
That was the whole plan. Right?
Yes.
Even the center table has all the colors basically that you have. So that was the plan.
That was the plan. And in fact, even our the roof.
I was just going to come to that. It's a mirrored roof.
It is a mirrored roof. I mean, we had our relatives come over for housewarming, and they were like, ऊपर वाले मंदिर कित्थों जाना चाहिए ऊपर मंदिर नहीं है ये बॉम्बे में पेंट हाउस लेने में तो है लेंगे थोड़ा टाइम है so this just makes the hall more spacious and it kind of just enhances the entire vibe of it.
But usually यहाँ पे आप क्या क्या करते हो? टीवी तो देखते हो, मुझे समझ में आ गया. Usually what are the times like where you come and chill in the living space?
So it's usually when dad's back from work, we would all just sit and probably chat over things. Or when I'm coming from a long day at work, we're either chilling in our bedrooms or we're chilling here. when probably we have our guests coming over, and we have an entire gossip session where there are a lot of people. All of us are seated right here. This is a more spacious environment. I remember Suman Indori ki cast ek baar aayi thi, and everyone was just right here, and we were all gossiping. Koi niche baithe the, koi udhar baithe the. So that's how the vibe is over here. It is more social, but it is also cozy at the same time, because I don't know, I just have something with curves. I love curves. Like, even my sofa is curvaceous. Even the sides of our center table are curved. The sides of my dining, I don't like anything that's too sharp.
Yeah.
I like it to be a little softer.
Yeah. जैसे मैंने शुरू किया था यहाँ का सेगमेंट ये बोल के कि दिस शो इज एम्ड एट ब्रिंगिंग आउट द रियल साइड, राइट? सो अश्नूर, जब आप बहुत खुश होती हो तो आपके घर के कौन से कॉर्नर पे होती हो और क्या करती हो?
जब मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ तो आई एम डांसिंग. I have there's a wall mounted speaker in my room, and I would play my songs on full volume, and I would just be dancing around and looking at myself in the mirror. I have a little concert in my room, and the only audience is Ziggy. He just keeps looking at me like, what happened to this woman? She was okay 2 minutes ago, and now she's dancing and jumping like a kid. But that's what I love doing.
What do you do when you're upset?
I'm in my balcony. On my furry beanbag. Again, that fur kind of gives me some sort of a comfort. And I'm just, I love the view in my balcony. And I'm usually funnily upset when it's sunset time. So I'm sitting in my balcony watching the sun go down and listen to my songs on my AirPods, but this time.
Lovely, lovely. मुझे
And I'm journaling also sometimes.
Oh, lovely.
And I'm journaling.
मुझे ये बताइए कि अभी आपने बोला था about this wall, so let's go and show people the wall, the awards, and of course the balcony that is now famous.
Yes. So that's our little wall. This is the TV speaker, and this is like an extra speaker just in case. We have a lot of speakers for some reason. The TV speaker, the normal speaker, then उधर एक wall mounted speaker भी है जिससे आप calls भी swipe करके ले सकते हो. It was right behind the lamp.
Oh wow.
But anyway, this is our TV, and this, funnily, these are actually 2 tiles that we've kind of put on the wall.
Oh.
And
wall के ऊपर.
Yeah, wall के ऊपर, and we've kind of created some element in here. Keeping the showpieces minimal here. This is my favorite part, and we've gotten this stand also custom made. Like, I got it from Pinterest, and then we got the glass separately and these materials separately. So this is a very special corner for me, because these are all the materialistic appreciations that I've gotten over these years.
Which one was your first award?
My first award was this one.
This one?
It is.
Can I help you? Wow.
Oh, it's all dusty.
No problem.
Time to dust. But yeah, this was the most Nanhe Natkat category for Golden Petal Awards. And this I got in 2012, I guess, when I was 7-8 years old.
Wow.
8 years old. Oh, and actually, the video of when I won this award is getting viral these days, because Salman sir was in the audience.
Oh!
Yeah. And they're kind of comparing it to how... and this was the show I had gone to promote in the 2012 Big Boss, when Sunny Leone was a contestant.
Yes.
And in our finale, she'd come to promote her show.
Wow.
And I was a contestant. So it was a full circle.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
circle of life. And now we'll head to the balcony.
Let's head to
जहाँ पे अश्नूर मैक्सिमम टाइम रहती है, जो अश्नूर ने मुझे कहा है.
Oh, yes. That's the beautiful, beautiful balcony. As I mentioned, both sides of the walls are utilized for aesthetics, so that we can always get a backdrop. Literally, I mean, I've had this in mind when we were designing the house, that every corner should be utilized for some content.
That is the idea of a creator.
Of course, yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
that's what we do. कौन जाएगा हर बार बाहर, घर पे ही सब कुछ कर लो, and it's all sorted. Like,
I think we should just sit and have a little chat. आप जाती हो बहुत
ओह किचन
उधर तो और इधर में क्या फर्क है?
मैं आई कैन गिव दिस टू बिग बॉस कि जो चीज मॉम मुझसे इतने सालों में नहीं करा पाई वो बिग बॉस ने करा दी. आई वुड नेवर गो इन द किचन. आई वुड हेट कुकिंग. लाइक आई वुड जस्ट रन अवे. लाइक मैं कुक रख लूंगी, मुझे कुकिंग नहीं सीखनी है. बट बिग बॉस ने करवा दिया. एंड सो मच सो कि एंड में व्हेन आई एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड कुकिंग, लोगों को मेरा खाना इतना पसंद आने लगा दैट सम पीपल गॉट सो इनसिक्योर सेइंग दैट अरे इसके खाने में ना नमक डाल देते हैं. लाइक अ टिपिकल सास बहू थिंग. कैन यू इमेजिन? I've literally seen videos of them saying that उसके खाने में ना नमक डाल देते हैं. The other one says नहीं मिर्ची डाल देते हैं. I'm like bro, what are you discussing? Are you sane? But anyway, let's go to
चलो.
Well, this dining table is the only thing in the house that I don't like. So everything in the house we've had like a 2:1 voting system. बहुमत के अकॉर्डिंग घर बनाई.
ये घर पे भी बिग बॉस के हिसाब से डिजाइनिंग हुई है.
Because it's 3 of us है ना, हमारे हर टाइम ओपिनियंस मैच नहीं होते. कई चीजों को लेकर होते हैं like the entire house mostly, but a few things like say for example that lamp over there. That me and mom really liked. Dad did not. This dining table, mom, dad really liked, but I did not. So if given an
Clearly you are not a part of the Bahumat.
Yes, I was not. It was a 2:1, and I've always.
But there's a yellow
yeah
seating space.
Yeah.
So that was your idea?
No,
Okay, you
I
didn't
don't like that.
Acha.
Yeah, I mean I like the dining table, but I don't like the chairs around it.
So what would you have preferred? Like what would
I
you?
would have actually had a wall-mounted couch and a different sort of chairs, like probably velvety or something.
You love
Yeah, I love texture. I love.
velvet.
Yeah, I like
Comfort.
the richness, the
Yeah.
comfort that comes.
And of course there is.
That's Ziggy's corner right there. He's sleeping, so
Yeah.
we won't disturb him a lot. But that's his little bed, and
This is the kitchen.
that I don't really come to often.
But we are getting you
No,
today.
but
Thanks to
पहले,
you.
of course, it's going to be hospitality. What would you like to have?
Oh, ऐसा है?
हाँ जी, ऐसा है.
I will only have anything that is non-alcoholic.
We have a lot of non-alcoholic options. We have Coke, we have Red Bull.
Coke is
Coke.
a better option. Yes.
It's like that's Coke. You?
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
ये भी high tech.
Ice, we can get ice from here. Cubes or flaky ice or cold water, and there's a dispenser right here.
Oh, बाप रे बाप.
And this is a cute memory wall that we have.
Where all have you gone to?
This is like a memorial of all the countries I visited.
Abu Dhabi, Melbourne, South Africa, New York, Hong Kong,
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka,
And-
Maldives, and
Yes.
Canada. Which is your favorite place?
Maldives.
Maldives.
I love
What a baby!
Maldives.
What a baby! I knew it.
And this
ये हाई टेक किचन जहाँ पे आप आती नहीं हो वो अलग
मैं
बात
आती
है.
नहीं हूँ. हाईटेक एक्चुअली ये चीज है. The chimney.
ये क्या है?
The
I'm
chimney
very
starts
happy
like this.
for myself and I'm very upset for my brother cause well now मेरे घर पे भी यही लगेगा. दादा भाई बैंक जाइए.
Oh, it's actually not complete. Mom is not happy with the microwave. She's going to get an entire baking system also. Her air fryer is
Wow.
in place, her toaster is in place. तो खैर मैं इधर नहीं आती हूँ.
यूजुअली क्या पका के खा सकती हो तुम?
अभी तो सब कुछ आता है यार, thanks to Big Boss.
बट यूजुअली घर पे क्या पकाती
उससे
हो?
पहले can I tell
हाँ.
you, I was such in the kitchen कि मुझसे अगर मैं eggs boil करने के लिए रखूं तो वो भी जल जाते थे. I'm not even kidding and I'm not even exaggerating. Like literally that used to be the case. But अभी तो मतलब I'm so good. Like let's move on.
Yes.
Let's move
To your
on.
favorite corner, second favorite corner, do you want to call that what?
I guess I
To your
would.
wardrobe.
I think I would call that my second favorite corner because that's where I spend a lot of time getting ready and kind of playing fashion. Every girl loves playing fashion.
Lovely.
So of course, this is like a little screen for the camera we have outside. So when you rang the bell, I could see it's you, and then I
Lovely.
like yes, Naya, let's go. So this is
Wow, this is your den.
that's my den. Every girl loves pinks, and this is like just a you can say kind of a walk-in, but not really a walk-in. I call this my vanity, with all the drawers here, my makeup stuff, a nice makeup mirror, and some of my bags. I love perfume.
I can see that you love perfumes and
Yeah.
bags and shoes and sneakers and everything else.
Heels, shoes, sneakers.
How many pairs do you own of
Of?
bags of? I can see. Oh ho ho. चश्मे देखिए
Never
बस
counted, never
जो
counted.
बिग बॉस में बिल्कुल अलाउड नहीं होते हैं
Yeah,
पहनना
yeah.
टोपी और चश्मा जस्ट लेटिंग यू गाइस नो इन केस यू डोंट नो
Yeah.
कि टोपी और चश्मा अलाउड
They
नहीं है
didn't even allow
Hoodies.
my face masks. My sheet masks. So you get it? My skin has been deprived.
Can
of
I tell
sheet
you
masks.
something?
Yeah.
I love you
You didn't
MX
say
Flair I love you
You-
Vani J because they made sure that all my skincare was sent to me every week
Not
मेरा-
fair, guys. Not
मेरा ये
fair.
तक था कि भाई मैं बेसमेंट जाऊंगा तो मुझे स्किन केयर चाहिए एंड दे हैड सेड या स्किन केयर इज बेस लाइक एसेंशियल सो यू कैन कैरी और मैंने तो वहां पे सबका स्किन केयर किया सबको नाइट के मास्क आई एम अ स्किन केयर जंकी आई एम अ स्किन केयर पगलू
Okay, so we need to have a skincare night.
डन
Done.
डन गेम नाइट
Yeah.
एंड स्किन केयर नाइट
Yes.
I'm happy.
You're lucky, Nayan. You're lucky getting skincare also. You're
And
not
now-
really bitching.
वाह नो बिचिंग तो मेरे बारे में बहुत किया है बट जिनका स्किन केयर किया उन्होंने नहीं किया थैंकफुली अभी हम जाएंगे to the prettiest bedroom, the cutest bedroom, because I've seen something which I should rob.
I took
But I
out my swing.
Yeah, with the teddy bear, with the teddy bear in it. So let's go, guys.
Let's go, let's go. And this is the only bedroom you're gonna get to see. Not the guest bedroom, not mom dad's bedroom,
Done.
not Muni's bedroom.
Done,
Done.
done.
Welcome to my bedroom.
Wow.
Please
Lovely. I love
Yeah.
this. This is the prettiest bedroom ever.
Thank you.
Not cute.
Sit.
You designed this whole
Yes.
space is what you have told.
Yeah. Like my bedroom is totally my thing. Of course, the house mom has done majority of our work, but my room is totally mine. Like I wanted it to, again, as I said, I love curves, I love texture, but it still has to be monochrome somehow. A few things here and there I'm still gonna add up and change, like that chain on my swing. I'm planning to add like a velvet cloth to it and some fairy lights. And then here I'm gonna have, in this strip that you see, the rose gold
Yeah.
strip, I'm gonna have a wall mounted lamp, like a
Okay.
circular lamp.
Oh wow.
Like a reading light sorts, because I love reading. You can see I have
Yes.
a book rack right there. So every room has a TV, but it's just my room that does not have a TV but has a book rack.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that's an alternative to
Yes.
TV, which is a great thing.
Yes.
And I can see your YouTube play button.
Oh yes, I started off YouTube essay, कि देखते हैं how it goes, but got so much love, and now that I'm out of the house, I'm gonna take it more seriously.
Please do.
So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. guys.
Absolutely, please do. And there's a guitar, so you sing also.
No, I'm the last person to sing. But I love playing the guitar. I mean, right now I have my nails that are grown, so I can't really hold chords. But I can play some of the basic chords and just strum. And Ziggy really likes it. Ziggy is, of course, right here. उसको हर जगह वहाँ रहना होता है जहाँ पर हम हैं.
Which is lovely.
Yeah.
Tell me about this swing. It's so cute. It's like a transparent swing.
Yes.
This is one of the first times I've seen a transparent. I've actually seen this in your pictures again.
Yes.
And I used to feel like, oh wow, this is so cute.
Yeah.
Where did you get this from?
This one store in Bombay, and I actually saw it on Pinterest.
Okay.
And I was trying to find something like this. I was like, I need this in my room. It's not a want, it's a need. Because I love swings. I was actually planning a swing in my balcony, but उधर मुझे इतना अच्छा एक option मिल गया of that circle
Yeah.
right there, that I was like, okay, let's get the swing inside. Because swing तो चाहिए. Even outside in our main balcony, the
Yeah.
furniture is yet to come, so we're going to have a big swing there as well, like an entire rectangular thing. But here I think like a solo swing, and when you sit inside it, it feels like a pod, like your mini pod.
Does.
And it has a noise cancellation effect. So when you're inside, you're just in your zone, like quite literally.
But he fan. Tell me about this fan. These are in those, those amazing villas and all that you see. And did you also spot it somewhere there? And
So the actual
the
idea,
ceiling also.
the actual idea of the ceiling was to have these again techno savvy, so the automated lights that look like stars at night. So we were actually going to have that, But then I realized that in the daytime it looks too plain. So let's add something else. So we got this, textured wallpaper on top with, of course, cove lighting and adding to the shadows.
Yeah.
And we had one main element. There was supposed to be a chandelier here, but then we thought, considering the humidity in Bombay, it is important to have a fan in your bedroom. Can't do without that. So we have a fan that looks pretty.
But what was the idea behind this fan?
See, I wanted a light source. So we have lights with the fan.
I know, I saw that.
And it has warm lighting and cold lighting. So it depends on my mood.
Lighting is everywhere.
There's ambience lighting everywhere. Like even if you look at the nooks and the corners, where the showpieces are kept in the niche, we have a spotlight on every showpiece over there. We have a strip light in my
The
bookshelf
books, yeah.
as well, and there's a mirror behind it, so the light's being reflected. This side that you cannot see, or probably say this, for example, we have an inner lighting here as well. We have a lighting beneath my bed.
Oh!
Yeah, there's another lamp there. There's lighting outside. There's an RGB here if I just want to be in the
So you have a wardrobe also here.
Yes, that's my wardrobe.
That's
that
fully yours.
entire thing is my wardrobe. And we also have a storeroom separately, which is also my wardrobe. तो यार खत्म ही नहीं होता है
कपड़े
खत्म ही नहीं
कपड़े
होते
तो
हैं.
important है.
So yeah.
But tell me something, when you were designing this whole room and you wanted the bed, everybody has a different idea of their own bed because it's
Yes.
the most comfortable space that one can be.
Correct.
What was your idea?
So I wanted it to be very cozy. So if you look at, and again, textures and monochromatic. So if you look at my wall here, of course, we have that entire one single tone to the wall. This actually is a door to another walk-in closet and my bathroom.
Yeah.
But we've concealed it in a way that it looks like one wall. So the idea behind this, again, Pinterest for the win. I saw this, this design, and I kind of really liked it as to how it was huge, but then it had these little curves down. And the pattern is similar, but it gives a very different vibe. So it has personality.
Yeah.
And of course, I love whites, I love beige, I love these muted tones.
You really do.
And with, such pillow covers, it just gave me a very me vibe. And I just love to cozy up here and just be in my zone. Like, most of the times I have my dim lighting on, my RGB on. There's a wall-mounted speaker right there. So I have my...
There?
Yeah, that's a speaker.
This one.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
That's a speaker. And if you swipe, you can just change the song. And even pick calls and talk.
ये expression I think has become a patent in this house. मतलब बार-बार I'm just like, what? Good.
Yeah.
I need a...
Yeah, of course.
Dada bye.
Of course, I'm a big fan of nice fragrances as well. So I always have a candle that I light. I have my books right here. I have this little journal as well. Yeah, and of course, there's like this little dispenser also. This is again very cute. I love this. This is a very Pinteresty vibe again. So all
Everything is
things cute.
Pinteresty.
Yes, all things cute, all things transparent, beige, white is what I have.
Lovely.
Hydration for the win, of course.
And of course, how can there be a bedroom without a balcony for Ashnoor? Because clearly Noor ke liye balcony is everywhere. I've realized this. In this house, there's balcony almost
I
everywhere.
have a running balcony.
Yeah,
too.
which is lovely.
Yeah.
So let's go to your balcony because I can see like a really cool spot there.
That's my reading nook.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Let's go.
What a view!
This is my happy place.
रात के 1 बज रहे हैं, by the way.
Yes.
But this city never sleeps.
Now you look at the traffic there. I mean, it's just like it's what?
So peaceful
11.
still, yeah.
It is.
It is so peaceful, like you get to see the whole
Yes, the entire skyline.
Yeah.
And there's a beach right there, जो कि सुबह दिखता है, and it's a sunset view.
Oh!
So you have like a great time here. The sky is orange and pink, and at this height, the colors are really nice
Yeah.
and visible. Like a lot of times I see choppers going from here. या जब बारिश होती है तो क्लाउड्स इतना नीचे आ जाते हैं और बालकनी के भी अंदर आ जाते हैं. So yeah, that's one
घर
thing.
जब ले रहे थे, when you were selecting the house, and this house has, you've been in this house for 2 years.
Yes.
So when you were picking the house
Yeah.
and you came and saw this portion
Yes.
the first time, what did you think?
Can I be honest? We were actually looking at another house, and I saw this sample flight by chance. And then I was like, this is what I want. Like, that's it, done and dusted. Because, of course, the balcony was the main thing.
Yeah.
And the flats are very spacious, the height of
The
it, of
ceiling.
course. And it's very well structured.
Yeah.
Because, you know, the maid's room is separate, the storerooms are separate, the washrooms, so like every room has a store and a bathroom attached. So you can always kind of make modifications and turn it into something else. The way I've done for my vanity,
Yeah.
that was actually an extra area that we had. So I converted that to my vanity. Yeah.
But who did the interior designing?
So majority, we obviously had an interior designer, but my mom did it all. Like she was the one behind it because I was shooting for my show at that time, so I couldn't spare as much time. I just did my room and I was like, okay, done.
And when you did your room, I can see that there's a pod here.
Yes, of course, that's my
Wow.
reading pod. I love sitting here and chilling. Probably whenever, you know, I just told you that when I'm in my me zone and I don't want anyone to disturb me, I go and I sit here. I have my AirPods on, I'm reading my book, staring at the sunset, and that's the vibe.
और मुझे अशनूर ने बोला है कि यहाँ पे एक अच्छा खासा ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल का
Yes.
अरेंजमेंट होगा जहाँ पे she will not move from this place.
I love it, yeah. I mean, who would want to move from here? You can
That's
look
true.
at the entire.
There's so much of wind. There's
Yeah.
you can feel
very
feel the you can feel the city come alive here. That's for
Yes,
sure.
yes.
I love this view.
That's-
Genuinely, it's a great view और खाली है.
Yeah.
जो मतलब बॉम्बे में मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Correct. Like you can look over everyone here.
But you know, we've spoken about your home, we've spoken about uncle and auntie, and
Yes.
we've spoken about uncle came on the show. He was
Yeah.
so sweet, so dignified.
Thank
Now we are going to actually understand. We'll do a segment. It's called Nestera Presents featuring you. I'm going to show you collages of pictures, basically,
Okay.
of things, household items, fabric, and you have to tell me which one you like more.
Okay.
Which is more your mood, which is more your aesthetic, because we're going to try and understand your home aesthetics through this segment. So
Okay.
let's go. Let's go back to the living room. So basically, this segment is called Nestera Presents featuring you to understand your aesthetic and mood behind designing a home like this, like a beautiful home like this. So there'll be many, many options. Like for each category, there are 2 options each. So you have to pick one
Okay.
and you have to tell me why you like that over the other.
Okay.
Okay. The first one, what's your house vibe like? Is it red carpet ready or off duty cozy?
Oh, I guess it's a mixture of both. But I would say it is red carpet ready, but in a different
Cozy way.
Cozy way.
Next one. What would you make a statement with? Okay. Accent chair or an accent poof?
An accent chair.
Did anything that you picked here, which is basically like one of those statement pieces?
So we were actually going to have an accent chair right there, but because we got this entire set with this little bench sort of a thing. So you're like, it'll get too much. Otherwise, we were gonna actually have an accent chair right here.
I keep your secrets, filter sunlight, and sway where the breeze flirts. Who am I? Sheer curtains or blinds?
Sheer curtains, clearly. They're in every room. My living room, my bedroom, every other bedroom.
So you like sheer curtains more than blinds?
Yeah.
You like the light also, but
I like the light penetrating somehow. I guess everything has to do with how I look at myself and how I look at life in general. I just feel that even if everything goes dark, there has to be some space for the light to penetrate and to bring that ray of hope.
I think the next answer I know, but I'll still ask.
Okay.
Where would you rather spend your Sunday mornings? In a cozy reading corner or an indoor jungle?
Of course, it goes in the corner. Of course.
You love reading, and you love. What is it that you love about, this option?
I think the jungle is nice, but I have my balcony for that. So I don't need an indoor jungle. I would rather be in an outdoor jungle. A cozy reading corner is something that gives me a lot of space. I like the florals, I like the flowy curtains, and the colors of that are also very similar to what I have in my room. And it has a cozy chair and those textured pillows. I
Yes.
really like that.
Oh, lovely. The next one. What would you rather choose among the two? The geometric
Ooh.
grids or the floral drama?
That's a tough one, but if it had to be my room, then it has to be floral drama.
I knew it. I knew it. Have you ever thought of putting a wallpaper? Like, did that thought ever?
Do you see my vanity wallpaper? It's floral. Yeah, and I actually am gonna add a few things. So the ceiling of my vanity, I'm gonna have hanging flowers from there. I have them ready. I just need to put it up.
Oh, lovely. I need a photo or a video right after
Done.
it's done.
Done.
Okay, you have to pick one, okay? Embroidery that whispers luxury or prints that shout personality.
Embroidery that whispers luxury. Again, I'm a fan of textures, as you've seen in my entire house. I love textures. I love that feeling of, you know, the touch being rich.
Lovely.
Yeah.
If your cushions could speak, what would they say? I live for aesthetics or here for nap?
I live for aesthetics because
Yeah.
all the cushions just get thrown away when I'm about to sleep. And it's just my pillow and my teddy bear. That's it.
Teddy bear isn't the one there.
Yes.
Oh, lovely. Lovely. What would you love doing here the most? Solo snuggle mode or coffee giggle with gang?
Coffee giggle with gang. I feel that's,
The positive gang.
yeah, yes, the positive gang, always.
What would you rather talk about? If you all are meeting here, then what is the conversation that one wouldn't be privy to?
I guess we definitely won't have any Big Boss conversation.
I'm tired of it.
We're just done. Like, it's over. Bahut ho gaya.
What's the next board game that we should try?
We didn't play any board games.
Undercover you played?
Yeah, we played Undercover.
Undercover?
That's it.
And you guys fought?
Yeah, full on. Like, we were like, no, this is to be done like this. Are wo aisa, wo ye bol raha hai, wo ye bol raha hai. So that's what we were doing. But it's been ages since I've played board games. I guess we really need to have the game next
We
time.
really need to. We need to plan this, okay? If your home suddenly turned monochrome, would you adapt or panic?
I would adapt. Because, I mean, my house is any which way more.
Monochrome, that's what.
And I love the vibe of it.
But if it was in monochrome then, if your house was in monochrome, what would you do? Adapt or panic? Suddenly walked in after Big Boss and you saw the whole house has changed.
I would panic, of course, at
Little
first.
bit, so you will panic.
Thoda sa. Yeah.
Where would you host your celebration in? A room of sparkle or a hand-woven heritage?
Ooh. This is a tough one. Oh my god, I love both of them. I can't choose. I love both of them.
Chalo, isme de diya dono hi. You like both of them?
Yeah.
And thank you for doing this. But let me tell you one thing also, that if you ever want anything, any corner done or refurbished, I will make sure that Nestera does it for you, because they are into upholstery and they do a really, really good job. Like,
Okay.
the next segment, you will get a really huge hamper.
Okay.
You see it.
Okay.
And then if you like it, then definitely when you need them, because you're doing some parts of your house,
Alright.
I would rather get it done by them if you want.
Oh, lovely. That'll be great.
Thank you. Let's now move to the game segment. इसमें बहुत simple है.
Okay.
आपको मैं 3 letters दूंगा और घर से कहीं से भी उस लेटर का कोई भी एक सामान लेके आना है.
Okay.
अगर आप तीनों लेके आ जाते हो तो आपको मिलेगा नेस्टेरा के तरफ से इतना बड़ा हैम्पर, जिसको आपके घर तक लाने में मेरी जान जोखम में मैंने डाला है, क्योंकि I went to the wrong lift.
Oh.
And then I had to go inside somebody's house, and I've come today, I don't know, 26th floor. Whoever stays on the 26th floor of this building, thank you for being so kind. Thank you for doing this.
Of
Let's
course.
go.
Let's go.
Finally, in the final segment, which is called Nestera Presents Fetch.
Woo.
And you get this,
Oh my god.
क्या बोलते हैं, He-Man, finally. Oh, इसके बाद जो हालत खराब होती है वो अलग बात है. But yes, you get this.
Okay.
वैसे तो कंपटीशन है नहीं, घर पे ही आना है, बट फिर भी
Okay.
3 letters है, 3 चीजें आपको लानी है.
Okay.
15-15 सेकंड के बीच.
Okay.
One camera will definitely follow you, so this is the camera that will follow you.
Okay.
So should we start?
Yes.
First letter A.
Oh.
A से क्या? ओहो
Award.
15 सेकंड भी नहीं लगे, 4-5 सेकंड के अंदर. वाह, लवली. तो यू गेट 1 point. नेक्स्ट लेटर, योर फादर्स. G.
Okay.
G.
Glass.
वाह, easy one.
Yes.
बहुत easy. And the next one is चलो S. वाह.
Dun, dun, dun.
Listen, I think अभी जितने भी एपिसोड किए हैं सबसे फास्टेस्ट अगर किसी ने किए हैं तो आपने किए हैं.
I told you I slay tasks.
Oh, clearly, Ma, this huge hamper from
Oh my God. Okay.
Nestera.
Actually heavy.
Thank you. Yes, yes. We are going to keep that because clearly हम दोनों ने संभाल पाए. But yes, I'm going to
Thank
let you
so
open
much.
this so that
Okay.
you know what is there. I hope you like what is there.
Chiku, what is
Auntie is definitely going to love what is there for sure. I know that.
Is it?
Yes, you too will love, but Auntie is also going to love it. It's Auntie's sense of aesthetics, I've realized. So this box is also made by them. So the upholstery.
very pretty.
So this is for you. Their table mat,
Very pretty.
the kitchen runners, table runners.
And a comforter. This is so nice. This will go so well in my room.
I thought so.
This will go perfectly in my room.
The moment I entered, I was like, this is something.
Fab. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And like I said, that if you need, whenever you need a revamp on your house or whichever part, whichever corner, Nestera is always there for you. And thank you so much, Snood, for doing this.
Thank you.
Stay the same person that you are, and I know you're not going to change
Yeah.
because if Big Boss couldn't change you, if those situations and circumstances couldn't change the person that you are, nothing ever will. Just be as strong, as positive as you've always been.
Thank you.
And just letting you know that शुरू मैंने वहीं से किया था कि हमने एक इंटरव्यू किया था जहाँ पे आपने बोला था कि मुझे पता नहीं कि मैं शो जीतूंगी या नहीं, पर मुझे दिल जीतना है.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि आपने करोड़ों दिल जीता है और उससे ज्यादा आपने बहुत इज्जत कमाई है.
Thank you.
एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, आपने अपने मम्मी पापा की इज्जत बिल्कुल नहीं गवाई.
Thank you.
दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग एल्स फॉर यू, एंड आई नो
a
दैट.
lot.
I am happy to call you a friend, and I just want to tell you thank you so much for doing this. It's 1:30 in the night. She's extremely tired, but she's accommodated us, and
Of
thank you for
course.
this. This is one of the best episodes we've done.
I'm glad. I'm
Thank
glad.
you, and I'm pretty
Thank
sure everybody at Team Nestera will be happy.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.